holiday. And right now, you can save up to £120 per sunny places like Greece, Portugal and Italy. And get 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book summer now with Jet2 Holidays.
Tonight's Euro Millions jackpot is £22 million.
Play on app. Estimated jackpot. Account terms, rules and procedures apply. Players must be 18 or over.
With LV, I can get my home insurance from just £179. They've made it easy for me to get a great price, which is what we're all after, right? Let me look after what matters to me, because insurance is simple when it's me and LV.
No wonder we're rated excellent on Trustpilot. Get your quote today at lv.com. 10% of customers paid £179 or less November 2023 to April 2024.
Thoughtful driving tips from Esso. Number 7. Arjun is... No excuses, as he always says. Curious then that he can't motivate himself to lift that old set of dumbbells out of his boot. All that weight is really adding to his fuel bill. Come on, Arj, no excuses. Ditching excess weight, that's thoughtful driving. Esso. Visit esso.co.uk for more information.
Did you know that just one drip in tap and 1 litre